What's up, gals and pals? It's your boy Vino. So I was looking at the calendar the other day and I realized that Cinco de Mayo is less than a month away. So I figured I would do my civic duty and bring you guys over the next few weeks some delicious tequila and mezcal cocktails that you can enjoy now, or you can enjoy them on Cinco de Mayo. It's your call. I'm just doing my job here. Anyway, folks, we're gonna start today with a little something called the Yellow Jacket. Now, this cocktail I found in the Speak Easy book, which was written by the fine folks over at Employees Only in New York City. All right, folks? So make sure you stick around, because we're gonna boogie down. All right, folks, so before we get started, keep in mind this is a stirred cocktail, so you're gonna need your mixing glass. All right, now, let us look at what is in the sauce. The first thing we're gonna need is 2 ounces of a Reposado Tequila. I'm gonna be using Espolon, but you can go ahead and use whatever Reposado Tequila you got. This is one of my favorites, and I think it's really good for the price, all right? Now, the next thing we're gonna want is 1 ounce of Saint Germain Elderflower Liqueur. You know, if you don't have this, if you have something else, you can go ahead and use that as well, all right, folks? So 1 ounce of Saint Germain Elderflower Liqueur. And this is gonna add some sweet notes to the cocktail, some floral notes to the cocktail, really delicious stuff. All right, now the next thing we're gonna need is 3/4 ounce of Yellow Chartreuse. Now, I know the chartreuses are getting much more difficult to find and a little more expensive, but if you got it, use it because it's such a delicious spirit. It really enhances any cocktail that is added to. Now, if you don't have Yellow Chartreuse and you have something like Strega, you can also use that. They're very similar in taste profile, okay? Now, the next thing we're gonna need is 1 dash of orange bitters. I'm going to be using Angostura, a dash and a half. All right, so now let's go ahead and add some ice to our mixing glass. All right. Then we're gonna stir that for about 25-30 seconds. All right, folks, I think we stirred that bad boy up enough. Ooh, that's gonna be delicious. Now let's go ahead and get our glass out. I'm gonna be serving that in a coupe, which I've had chilling like a villain. And let's go ahead and strain it into our glass. All right, beautiful. You have this beautiful straw color, very, very, very nice, very elegant. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. And a great wash line. All right, there you go, folks. All right, then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna express some lemon peel. I have a bunch of lemon peels here because I was juicing some lemons. So I got some lemon peels here. I'm just gonna go ahead and express the oils on there, the little coins. And then what we're gonna do is just garnish that with a lemon peel here, right in the glass. And there you go, folks, our Yellow Jacket cocktail. All right, so let's go ahead and give this bad boy a sippy sip. It's very pretty, very elegant looking cocktail, which Vino does appreciate. You know, I love my stirred cocktails. Cheers. Right in the nose, you're getting obviously the lemon, which smells really fresh and really bright, so that's always nice. Ooh, that's really nice. Again, I mean, it looks elegant, it tastes elegant, it is really super approachable. It has some beautiful complexity to it. You know, you're getting some honey, some vanilla, you know, not so much floral as I thought it would have, but there's definitely some like kind of white flower notes there. Some white apple and pear notes to it. Oh, this is very nice, very elegant, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's delicious, folks. That's great. A delicious tequila cocktail, folks, for you guys to try. If you want to do something a little different from your typical like margarita, let's get smashed cocktail, you want something a little more laid back, a little more refined, I think this is a great cocktail. Definitely reminds me a bit of like a widow's kiss cocktail. I think you guys would absolutely enjoy it, and a great twist on tequila, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, folks, look, if you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.